disc brake caliper brake kit for Dexter 10k and 12k hydraulic disc brake axles. This little kit has everything to do one axle. It includes the 2 calipers with the bleeder screws. It includes the 4 brake pad assemblies. It includes the installation tool. It includes the 4 hex locking nuts. It includes the 4 anti-rattle springs and the 20 O-rings. This will pretty much get you taken care of on one axle for 10k and 12k hydraulic disc brake Dexter axles. You can buy this online at trailerpartsunlimited.com.